Yes. Are they ready now, or?
Oh yes, there'll be no cocktails.
Okay.
At least not for me.
No, I can have some next to you. Maddie, why don't you sit over here and then you can put your stuff down by that hole. I just got the one server. I said I just got the one server. Stared at me and then came out like this.
Maddie, what do you think?
What?
Do they have Wi-Fi?
I don't know. Did you explain to him about the green bags or not? Okay.
Go ahead and tell them again. California State University, Fresno.
Well, she wasn't there. There's a little piece of well, I'm just trying to put us on the same level.
Doesn't say where he was born.
It's probably California.
Oh, here it goes, San Jose.
Seems like a California church.
Yeah. It's interesting, girls put food in their holes, don't they?
What?
Girls put food in their cake holes, don't they?
Girls?
Yeah.
Everybody does.
See her. Go over there doing it. Stuff in her face. No girls ate. Did you? Uh-huh. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
So, Maddie, want a slice of bread? How's the bread? Like this?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. It's a little red. Wait a minute.
Don't know what happened to my napkin.
This is your napkin. Want me to place you off the slab?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember what Dan Gladden did in 91, right? Maddie?
Nope.
What did Dan Gladden do in 1991 World Series?
Knock off?
No, he didn't do the hit. Who got the hit?
Was it 30?
Gene Larkin.
Gene Larkin.
Yep. And he was on, Dan Gladden was on what base, Maddie?
Third?
Nope.
Second? First?
Yeah, second, and then he got to third somehow. And then Larkin hit a sacrifice fly, I guess. Is that the 10th inning?
I think it was. That was the Bulls' bread. Was that?
Oh, it has rye over on the other side, doesn't it?
Does it?
Anyhow.
Oh.
It's got a darker part. No, I guess not. I wonder how rye bread got started with the fish fries.
I don't know.
Look at the baseballs again. Yeah.
When will they make the